Unlocking the secrets of a workshop outline. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're embarking on a journey to understand a very practical and useful concept in the world of learning and organization: the workshop outline. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who loves to organize events, knowing how to craft a workshop outline can be a game changer. So, let's dive in and unravel the secrets of creating an effective workshop outline. Before we begin crafting our own outline, it's crucial to understand what a workshop outline actually is. A workshop outline is a structured plan or blueprint for conducting a workshop. It serves as a roadmap, guiding the facilitator and participants through the workshop's objectives, activities, and timings. Think of it as a recipe that outlines the ingredients and steps needed to cook a delicious meal. In the context of a workshop, these ingredients are your workshop's content, activities, and goals. Every effective workshop outline comprises several essential elements. Let's break these down. 1. Title. The title should be catchy and give a clear idea of what the workshop is about. 2. Objective. This states what the participants will learn or achieve by the end of the workshop. 3. Agenda. This is a detailed timetable of the workshop's activities, including their start and end times. 4. Methodology. This section describes the teaching methods or activities, such as group discussions, lectures, or hands-on exercises. 5. Materials needed. Here, you list all the materials required for the workshop, such as notebooks, pens, or laptops. 6. Evaluation. Outline how you plan to assess the effectiveness of the workshop, whether through feedback forms, quizzes, or discussions. Now that we know what goes into a workshop outline, let's learn how to create one. 1. Identify your audience. Understand who your participants are and what they hope to gain from the workshop. 2. Set clear objectives. Define what your participants should know or be able to do after the workshop. 3. Develop the content. Gather and organize the information or skills you want to impart. 4. Plan the activities. Decide on the teaching methods and activities that will best deliver your content. 5. Organize the flow. Arrange your content and activities in a logical order, ensuring a smooth flow from start to finish. 6. Prepare materials. List all the materials you'll need and ensure they're ready before the workshop. 7. Plan for evaluation. Decide how you will gather feedback or assess the learning outcomes. Crafting a well-structured workshop outline is a skill that can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your workshop. Remember, a good workshop outline not only helps you stay organized but also ensures that your participants have a clear understanding of what to expect and what they will gain. I hope this video helps you in creating your own workshop outlines, leading to more engaging and productive sessions. Happy outlining, and see you in the next video.